so I think I will. I'm gonna quack, quack, quack until I get my fill. But the quacking fever got the quacking craze. Oh yeah, in the night. Don't taste this quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
The wilderness, beautiful, exhilarating, and character building. Do you have teenage children who are lazy and unmotivated? If you answered, "You're darn tootin'," then Teen Wilderness Challenge is your solution.
Hey, we were watching that. Whatever it was. Teen Wilderness Challenge. Not that. Anything but that. You carved a log cabin with your pocket knife, tied up a grizzly with a rubber band, and survived for a month on just berries and bark. Sure. Look, Uncle D, there's no way we're going on this wilderness challenge thing. It's just not gonna happen. It happened. Gee, this place looks just like the picture.
Wow, fancy meeting you here.
Gustav! Goosey!
Hey, well, where are your backpacks?
Uncle D's getting him down off the car. You stupid kid! Oh, Gustav, what brings you to the gross outdoors?
Well, I wanted to try out my new book, Hike Your Way to Inner Peace. Listen to this. A wise hiker once said, "Wisdom can be found in each mosquito bite, each poison ivy rash, each broken limb." What do you think?
Hiking munches. I said we make a break for it. Absolutely. You got it. We convert my flashlight into a death ray, and then we... Hello? Knock, knock. May I speak to the brain of the house? What are you guys staring at? Who is that?
Her? Oh, that's just Susie McIder.
Say, what's a nice girl like you doing in a forest like this?
Just taking some pictures. I'm gonna be a photographer. Say cheese.
She took my picture. Your picture? She took mine. You wish.
Okay, weasels. I'm your leader, Beef. Beef Jerky. Any of you grubworms want to make a joke about my name? Good. Welcome to Teen Wilderness Challenge, or as I call it, Wilderness Death March. There's only one rule on this expedition. Nobody messes with Beef. Why, you skinny little city wimp?
Uncle D's no wimp. He carved a log cabin with his pocket knife. Isn't that right? What? He tied up a grizzly with a rubber band, didn't you? Yeah. He could show you a thing or two.
So, you think you're a better woodsman than me, huh? Tell you what, we don't normally take adults on the hike, but why don't you come along? It's settled, you're coming. And we'll just see who's the best woodsman, city wimp. Well, now that we're all good, close friends, hit the sack, you rotten slugs. We hike at the crack of dawn. That load too heavy, city wimp? Great! Then you can help me out.
A wise hiker once said, "Never pack more than you can carry, nor carry more than you can pack."
Getting a shot of that cute little deer, huh?
Actually, I'm shooting the cute little rattlesnake you're standing on.
Hey there, Suze. Bet you were just waiting for me to come along, huh?
Actually, I'm waiting for the next geyser to erupt.
Geyser?
Here we are, Spine Snap Cliff. No better test of a true woodsman than a good climb up a nice, steep cliff. How about a race to the top? Loser carries the winner stuff. You kids hike up the trail. The adults will climb the cliff.
I'll help you climb. I'll carry your gear. Yeah, I'll look for an escalator.
This extra strong bungee cord ought to fix that duck. Fair play is really overrated. Little out of shape, are we? Guess I showed that duck. No, it's not possible. Well, I'll be a...
Wow, you got up here fast. Hold that pose. I want to get a shot of a real woodsman.
Yep, he's a wilderness expert. Runs in the family. Taught me all about the great outdoors.
Really? Well, then you must know you're standing on a hill of fire ants.
Hiking munches.
wise hiker once said, "Listen to the trees, for their wisdom is great and pure."
I want revenge. I'm gonna get that city wimp one way or another. Loser carries the winter stuff. How was I supposed to know he'd be a souvenir collector?
Tired? I could carry your gear. In fact, I could carry you and your gear. Nice try, Sweat Sock. Hi, Susie. By splitting some water into its component gases and filling my sleeping bag, I've created a makeshift hydrogen balloon to carry your gear. Smooth move, Professor Punk. Watch this. You might learn something. Susie, Gustav would really like to carry your gear.
I would?
Yeah, see what it says here? A wise hiker once said Gustav should do exactly what Huey says.
Wow, I'm impressed.
You see? Girls like a guy who can boss people around.
Thanks, Gustav.
Denied.
Please, I can't carry one more thing. That does it. Okay, City Wimp, we'll prove who's the best woodsman the manly way. First one across the line loses. You lose. That should settle the best woodsman thing once and for all.
Hey, where'd Donald and Beef go?
I'm sure they're fine.
Look at us. This is all your fault, City Wimp. No time for bickering. Come on. The trail's this way. This way. This way. say it, but... nice job pulling the cord there, Duck.
Don't mention it.
Breakneck River is here. And here's Mangle Skull Ravine. Eesh. Who names these places?
Excuse me for asking.
Ask away!
How are we going to find your uncle and Beef? I don't think they'll be marked on that map.
Yeah, Dewey. Well, what she said. I'm, getting our bearings. Right here at Avalanche Race! Hiking munches.
Shh, we have to be very quiet or we'll cause an avalanche.
Hey, Uncle D's canteen. Well, it looks like we're on the right track, thanks to my brilliant leadership. Correction, thanks to my expert navigation. Wrong, I'm the one blazing the trail. You dwarf noise, son. Shh, boys, avalanche fridge.
A wise hiker once said,
Way to cause an avalanche, Dewey! It's Huey's fault!
If you dweebs don't quit arguing, there won't be enough left of us to fill your tiny little head.
What do you say, guys? Stop fighting and work together. Test bridges!
Safe at last.
hiker once said, when dangling a mile in the air, there is but one path to safety. To learn it, by Hike Your Way to Inner Peace Part 2, only $19.95.
We lost him. Hey, good work finding this hiding place. I'm sorry I called you a city wimp.
It's okay, Buddy.
moose hunting season.
Oh boy, any idea where we are? Great, now we're lost too. Well, at least we found Uncle D and Beef.
Space alien!
Teamwork time! We welcome you to Chateau Duck. Uncle D, Beef, in here!
I did it.
What's all the ruckus? I could hear you folks from my ranger station 10 miles away.
No problem, sir. Everything's under control. We've got a bear, a moose, a swarm of bees, and a space alien trapped in that cabin.
Really? And which one of you is responsible for this?
I am. No, we both are.
You shouldn't.
Well, congratulations, boys. That's $1,000 fine for harassing protected wildlife.
He's in charge.
No, he is.
No, you are.
No, you.
Now you come out, guys. Them mean old hikers won't hurt you anymore. For this outrage, my people shall destroy your puny planet.
What do you say, guys? Forgive and forget and all that stuff? Sure. We can't let a girl come between us. We're a team. Yeah, a team, right. Dum-de-dum-dum. I guess I'll just walk over this way for no particular reason. Hey, where'd she go? I don't believe it. Susie and Gustav?
A wise hiker once said, "'Tis better to have hiked and gotten lost than never hiked at all."
Hiking munches.
This is all your fault. I'll get you for this. I'll get you, city wimp.